Sealer. Salute, Bumbleclad. Salute, R.I.P. Noel, Bumbleclad. Bling, salute. R.I.P. Bling. All of the fallen soldiers. Salute, Bumbleclad. Boost. You see how Father God powerful?
All doubt, all disappointment, all iniquity spell that form against our and our children and our brothers and sisters and our Lord places. Go before us at this moment, King Emmanuel. Do for us what we can't do for ourselves. Remove all burdens, Daddy. Remove all pain. Remove all shackles. Remove all chain. Set our brothers and sisters free at this time. Oh, Most High King Selassie, Jah, Rastafari. Give thanks to the rising of the sun and to the
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Yeah man, bless you and greetings my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. I hope all this blessed and as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health and health of wealth. We there a vlog on the go, you know. Yeah man, you see me? Yes, my papa, my kings and queens, I say Genna Star. I lost a dear friend yesterday, you know. Noel Joseph, aka Bling. And I heard yesterday, and I was so devastated, distraught, you know what I mean? Paranoid. Yeah, my mother up on the phone to the star, breakdown, you know. My mother stop crying, star, because my mother grew him, you see me? Them and my brother right hand, Chargy. Them do time together. Them run race together. America, England. See? I do them thing, you know what I mean already. Back in them time there. You see me? Yeah, big up my brother too. Freedom is a must, you see me? Yeah, so Genna Star Bling chop out to see them. I said, Genna, I don't know who. And the reason why man don't want to lick down Bling right now. But me I hear say, yo, my viewers and subscribers, don't forget to subscribe, you know what I mean? And click the bell and share, make someone else hear. Yeah, this is just a condolence to Bling, you know? Yeah, man. Noel Joseph, see me? And big up his mother too, Miss Miller. A lady where I know well and grew, me eat her house. On a villa them side there, you see me? Yeah, man. I say, yo, Star, I can't believe me say Noel chop out yesterday. Condolence to them youth them over here in the UK too, you know, and all them family, them friends, them. You know, Bling is a promoter, youth in the street. As I say, make him name in the street. Gallus, you know what I mean? You see me? And, yo, Judge, I don't know what reason why I'm on them off to do Bling something. Because them man that is peace and love and party, yes, Papa. As peace and love and party, them man they deal it straight. And some of my viewers and subscribers, I'm going to tell you the crime rate turn up right now in Jamaica. Very high, you know? I'm going to just be careful and just try down the walk and trust no one, you know? Never some family members start, because right now, we see some family all a higher contract man for kill them family. And all the payments. So see my viewers and subscribers. But I just want to pay tributes to all the Bling friend them, you see me? Families, you know what I mean? As I say again, Miss Miller. Well, if him drop out to see their mother move straight away. I make 2 links on the ground and I look whenever I tell me, say, yo, your mother move out straight away, you know? Gone to the country. You know what I mean? I say, Miss Miller, a long time I don't see you still, but stay strong, mama. You don't know them take away the breadwinner from you. But life goes on and what goes around comes around, you know? Well, I don't know what the reasons, I don't know why somebody that want to hurt Bling or take him life. You know what I mean? I say the whole time head mash out start. I hear say some dispute regarding him baby mother and brother involved, him baby mother brother. As I say, I really know the 100 if I saw it go, but if I saw it go, how could, you know, think before you act. Because right now, you see me, they take away someone's life right now, take away the youth them from father, from them we provide. And if I really saw it go, the baby mother couldn't try to stop it. You know what I mean? Again, my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. You see me, as me I say, you know me, I'm a man of peace and I sing positive music and them things there. And I always try to uplift people on the platform, not just musically, but inspirationally with words and what go on in the world and depression and them things there. You see me? But me always just say, yo, stop the crime. Yes, right. Say it? Yeah, man. I do a vlog, you know? Yeah, man, so, don't know star. But, I say reasoning. It's good when a friend when a reasoning. You can diffuse the feud by reasoning. Because we can talk it out and sort out the misunderstanding, you know?
That one a name reasoning. It's good when you and your friend will a reasoning. You can diffuse the feud by reasoning. Start out on a defense by reasoning. Yeah, that one a name reasoning. It's good when you and your...
You see me, my viewers and subscribers. Feel it, me I tell you to the bottom of my heart, man. Them man they eat at my yard, sleep at my yard, bathe at my yard, breakfast. You see me? When we not have game, yes, king. Yeah. That's the thing, Papa. You see me? Them man are the first man make me want to play a Nintendo. Remember the first Nintendo them? Sealer. Salute, Bumbleclad. Salute, R.I.P. Noel, Bumbleclad. Bling, salute, R.I.P. Bling. All of the fallen soldiers. Salute, Bumbleclad. Boost, you saw Father God powerful? You saw Father God powerful, you know, play with that American, you know. You see me? No weapon that form against I shall prosper. You see my viewers and so, you saw Father God powerful, you hear them that boss, and know them a salute for you. God not sleep. Them take away a good youth, a real youth. Bling! As I say, Bling are the first man I play a Nintendo when I was youth. The first Nintendo, them grey one day. And them man, they bring that from my yard. You see, one time I look at youth, I'm my brother part, my brother right hand. No man not close to Bling like my brother. And that me I tell you now. Hold on my brother, you soon forward the road. Said, Judge I know. I say, hold day my mother cry up on the phone. All day. I cry yesterday. But I say, I saw it going on life, you know. And yeah, man, I say, yo, to the youth, them start, just try to sort out the feud, man. Don't take a lifestyle because, see, as you take someone's life, somebody will take your life, you see me? My viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself and my kings and queen, my lion and my lioness. Don't know, a lion foot, you know, you don't know, you see me? Vlog on the go. Right now, I'm there, I gotta do the night shift, you know? Later on the night shift. Yeah, man, you say, I don't know. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so and click the bell. See me, I say? Peace and love. Kush. Yes, Dada. Yes. Yeah, man. You want to get a shout out? Yeah, man. Shout out, man.
Big up, don't know. Greg from Peckham, you don't know. There.
Yeah, man.
Oh, shit. Yeah. Lion foot. Don't know every day.
Alright, I'm out. Blessed.
Hear me, Mr. Mrs. Bad Mind. When you try to hold me down and you now win, that means you is a failure. Do me a favor. Go to Causeway and chuck off or jump on a trailer. Hello about Bad Mind and over work and make sure you know that song up on the phone. I even set it as on the ringtone because we not support. Nobody will try with long people pitney. Ask Father God to reverse the curse. Reverse the curse, God, reverse.
Yeah, man, I eat that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for passing by. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell before you leave. Please and thank you.